We are the Great Couple, and we are back at the Great Wolf Lodge here in Garden Grove, California, guys. Great Wolf Lodge is an awesome place. Mostly a water park, but they've got an arcade. You probably already know that if you already watched our other videos. We do a lot of arcade videos here. We did win a while back a Nintendo 3DS from their little game called Superstar, and we thought it would be fun to try it again. They don't have 3DS in there, but they've got some Fujifilm Instax, instant cameras, and some other prizes too. So we're gonna see if we can win us a camera.
Maybe.
From the arcade, and probably play some other stuff too, because why not, right? Anyway, come join us.
Let's go. We got this baby bear claw machine.
It's so small with the smallest little slots.
Yeah.
And look, Brittany, they're amazing. They poop.
Yeah, they got some poop in their butt.
They totally do.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can win us some poop.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. What? Oh, yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I did not think that was grabbing that.
You placed it so nicely down too. I got
Yay.
the poopy sloth in one.
It won. All right, let me see that poopy sloth. Wow.
Fabulous. In 4K.
Wow.
Just for you guys. Yeah, I'd say there's nothing poopy about that play. That was good.
Wow.
That was a good machine. Take it. Ooh, more bent claw machine.
Tiny baby.
These guys are like little squishy animals.
Yeah.
A variety. What are you gonna go for, Brittany?
There's oh no, I can't get him.
It doesn't
was a
go
chubby
over?
cat right there.
I don't like this machine anymore.
There's like a little yellow orange one right here. Let's see if I can grab it.
At least you can grab that one. Hopefully.
Maybe.
Come on.
Oh,
yes.
Look at how cute.
Oh. Places it down so nicely. Yes, Brittany.
He's a little dirty, but we love him anyways.
He's so cute. He's ours.
Babe. Babe.
Also,
It won. I got a squishy
Let's go
machine.
squish.
There's
Good.
a giant unicorn.
See if we can grab this big
Maybe.
unicorn. Oh!
Oh,
Look at that
say.
grab! Oh, yes!
Oh, yay.
It's Holden! Oh my gosh, no, what? My one!
Oh my gosh! Man!
I can't
All right.
believe that, guys.
What else did you go for? I don't think you can grab that unicorn anymore.
How about that little narwhal?
Alright.
It's really small, though.
I can't believe that.
I can't believe it. Look. Oh, I got a piece.
You got a gem.
I got a piece. I got a gem. Look at that. Yes. What? I don't think
Beautiful.
that didn't count, right?
Beautiful. No, that doesn't count.
I'm gonna go again. Oh, this machine. This machine's possessed.
Nobody's
Just
playing the
randomly,
machine.
There's no one here. You see that in the background of me like
it
showing?
felt very sorry for your squishy win, so I gave you a free ball.
Let's win without actually swiping or pressing a button. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my goodness, guys! Yes! How about that?
Yeah!
We won 2 great wolf balls, and we didn't even play the machine.
No.
It played itself.
Great.
Arcade hat. Oh, we don't really need any more great wolf balls, so we're gonna leave them for the next children that come by and decide
Surprise!
to win a ball. They're gonna end up with 3.
Yeah.
I'm good. I already got this. We're at Monster Candy. Yes. Brittany, you did so well before. It looks like they changed the handle a little bit. So let's see. Ooh, way soft.
Oh, way soft.
Gonna have to find a sweet spot again.
I don't remember my sweet spot anymore.
No.
Let's try it right here.
Ooh, a little
closer.
more than
no.
that. Oh, I got stuck. You're channeling me. Come on. Oh, a little more than that. Oh, it's a little soft. Oh, man. There it is. Yes.
Oh, 150.
150. Very nice.
Nice.
It may not be the biggest one, but still 150. 150 is a lot. I'm tagging in. Let's see.
Joy's gonna give it a try. Can you get the mega bonus?
I would love to. Let's see if can get that guy. Oh, no.
You got 152.
150 is fine, and on my first try,
On your
I'll
first
take
try,
it.
yeah.
All right.
Nice.
Not too bad.
Can you hit the bonus again?
Yes, I can. Let's go. Okay. the second try. Boom.
508.
Not bad. Guys, that's awesome. 2 tries. 2 bonuses in a row and then the big one on the second.
Good job.
Plus.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. 508.
Da, 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 da.
Mess of tickets right here, guys. Can I try again?
You want to try to get another 500?
I don't want to go for another 500.
Try
Let's see.
it. Let's see if you can do it. Hurry up. Yeah, you did it!
2 in a row.
501.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to be here a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of our favorite games.
Yeah.
Also one of our most hated games too. But usually we love it. Superstar. We've had some really good luck at Superstar machines at the Great Wolf Lodge. Today they've got not 1 but 3 Fuji Instax cameras.
1, 2, 3.
I think it'd be really cool to win one.
Yeah.
'Cause I love cameras.
Yep.
As evidenced by the camera that you're watching. I think it'd be really cool if we won one.
Let's try it.
Let's try, all right? I'm gonna go for it, Brittany.
What number are you going for?
Aiming for number 5. Let's
right.
see if we can do this. Come on. Oh, it's so close, but it's just barely.
Oh, just barely.
Man. Take 2. Let's go.
All right.
Give me that Fuji Instax. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. A little late again.
Oh, man.
Oh, and another one.
All right.
Come on. Oh, keep stopping just a little bit.
Man.
Brittany tagging in. Let's see. Good luck. Come on. Oh,
That was early.
oh, stopped it early. Oh, that's pretty early.
All right.
Come on, Brittany. Go, go, go. Oh, close. Oh, close.
No. Too early again.
Oh.
That was close,
It was
though.
closer though.
Come on. Come on.
Ooh,
Oh,
late.
too late.
That's late. Oh, close? Real close. Ah, oh.
Man, I couldn't tell. It looked like it was so close.
Just like a sliver of it, a millimeter.
Yeah.
Brittany. You're getting the timing like real good. And you actually get it though.
I don't know.
Come on.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, I got it!
Oh my gosh!
Yay!
Amazing! The Fuji!
Yay!
Oh my goodness, Brittany! So good! You're getting so close, and then
Yay!
there it is! You got the Fuji Instax Mini 9. Not that many plays, honestly, huh?
No!
He definitely spent a lot less to win it than it would cost to just buy it at the store, right?
Yay!
Nice, Brittany. Very cute, like a little light gray, it looks like.
Yeah, it's in a smoky white. I just pop it open so you guys know it's actually in here.
Yeah,
There's all the paper bits,
of course. Oh, batteries,
Batteries.
too. That's nice.
a strap.
Ooh, of course, very nice.
Da 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 da.
Oh,
Ta-da!
that's bigger than I thought it would be. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good.
It's so
Look at that
cute.
guy. That is adorable. It's one of those instant cameras, right? You put the little film in there and you take it like those old Polaroid pictures.
Ta-da!
Dude, then you got a little selfie mirror right here.
Yeah.
Ah, I like it. Now we gotta go get us some film.
Yeah. Now I gotta get Phil.
Oh no.
That's
Hey,
called the get you.
that was really good though. Oh, you got it. Only a handful of plays.
Yeah.
Right. Nice work, Brittany. Oh
Thanks.
my goodness.
Now
oh
we
my
both
goodness.
won at Superstar.
Yes. Ah, I wish I could get one for myself too, you know. Boo.
There's only 3 boos.
So few boo. I say boo to that. Come on. Oh, it's holding.
sweet.
It's holding. Oh my gosh. Yes. Nice.
Yay.
Brittany. So good. I
It's a
can
little
see
box.
that machine is almost empty for a reason.
Yeah.
It must be a good day to be here, huh? Look at that little boo.
It's so cute.
Very cute. Nice work. This machine doesn't like me. It gave me my crystal
I
as
don't
tail.
know if I can get it.
Kind of way off there,
I'll
huh?
go for it.
If you spin just right. Oh
Aw.
no! Almost. If it was.
Oh, I got a gem. Oh, I didn't get a gem.
Go again. Oh, so close. No.
A gem.
The gem. know the gym.
Okay, so farther back.
Go play.
Yeah!
Oh, it's a donut! Oh,
Stay
yes!
on a gym.
Donut and a gym!
Oh, only a donut.
It's okay. That was so good. Through the donut's hole. Ah, my goodness. Brittany, I got my eye on you. That was a great
Blip,
grab.
blip, blip. It smells like chocolate or something.
But it looks like a strawberry one.
Bip, 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 bip.
Either way, I'll take it. That was an insane grab,
Yeah.
guys. Comment, let us know just how amazing that grab was. Brittany, well done.
Thanks.
It's UFO Express. Remember, this little game is still happening here at Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah.
We still haven't gotten the big jackpot on it.
No.
But let's see. Can we get a big win? Ooh! Oh, pretty close.
I didn't know the timing. I couldn't remember it.
That's the closest we'll ever get.
I know.
Maybe. Oh!
Yeah.
Yes!
I see it stopped for a second.
Yeah, you lit up one right there too.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Can you do it again? Uh-oh, it spun a little bit.
Oh, dang it.
Because it got stuck in place.
I would have got it.
Get another one.
Oh.
Oh, it's too late.
Man, because it like jumbled.
Oh, still a little late.
Wow.
Maybe slightly earlier than that, just slightly. Come on. Oh, looks good. There it is. All right, another light.
I
Oh,
just need 3 more.
3 more. Can you do 3 more? This is the best we've ever
don't
done on
know.
this. Again, 3 more, you get the big bonus.
Let's go.
Oh, looks close. Looks close. Oh,
man.
still late. Oh, there we go. There we go. Wait. Oh, no, too far.
Oh, too early.
It actually went too fast. Come on. Oh, another one.
Yeah.
Oh.
2 more.
Oh my gosh, 2 more. Oh, maybe. Oh. Just a hair
Right
off.
there.
It was a hair off. Uh-oh, it's coming out slow.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, it slowed it down just right.
Yeah.
Another light, one more
We just
light.
need 1 more.
Oh, I think it's
dang it.
slightly.
I can get it. I can get it.
You can get it. You can get it. Ooh. Uh-oh. That spun a lot.
No, no, no.
Oh! So close.
That could have been it.
See?
No, that was way bad.
late. Oh, no. It's too slow again. No. Might be good.
No,
might
they
be
were
good.
so slow.
Wow. Oh, no.
What?
It's way off now. What? Oh, no, Brittany. What happened to the timing?
I don't know.
Oh, man. Yeah, see, look at that.
Yeah,
No. Oh.
That was way early, too.
Guess you gotta go even earlier than that.
Man.
The game's messing with you. Oh, come on.
Yes!
The big win. Look at that Yobo light up. It took some work. You got 500 and nice, Brittany. That's a big jackpot right here.
Finally.
The first time we've gotten it
Yes.
on this game. Amazing. Wow. Brittany. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It actually happened. We beat the Superstar again. It actually got us a Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. Opened it up for you guys.
Yeah.
You saw inside. It's a real deal.
It's still in there.
Very cool. Guys, would you like us to give this away in the future? We're thinking about it.
We're thinking about it.
So comment below and let us know if you want us to give away this Instax camera. It'd be
Yeah.
awesome, I think. And we got some other cool stuff too. We got a lot of tickets.
Yes.
A lot of tickets.
So we got this pop-up.
We got this cute pup. It's a Great Wolf pup. You got a cool airbrush shirt right there. And won a handful of things on the claw machines. Donut squish that Brittany managed to somehow get into the little donut hole. Fantastic. An amazing day at the Great Wolf Lodge. Hopefully you thought our video was amazing too. Thanks for watching, guys. We are the Great Couple again. Don't forget to like and comment. Let us know what you think about our winning an Instax camera at the Great Wolf Lodge Arcade. I can't believe I get to say that. That's so cool. Really awesome. And hey, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. We got lots of other great arcade videos. We love to play this stuff for you guys. And while you're at it, make sure you turn on that bell. Make sure all notifications are on, okay?
Yeah.
We upload a lot, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays with live streams. Huge thanks to our patrons on Patreon. You guys are awesome. Thanks for helping keep us full-time internet content creators, all right?
Yeah.
If you want to pledge your support to us, check us out. Patreon.com/cranekup, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, see you next time.